Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Santa's Workshop. Today, I've got a great product from you from my friends at GSTP Auto Parts. I reached out to them. There's a couple of things I needed for the car, and they were more than happy to send them to me. Only thing is, I got to make a video. But guys, I think you'll like this. Um, Back when I was helping Randy work on the Monte Carlo SS, I'm sure you all remember that. Um, he had bought a throttle cable holder from and beautifully made. I'm going to give him that. But we ran into a problem trying to connect to push the stock um, cables through there and for them to latch. It was too thick. Well, I saw that GSTP had pretty much the exact same thing, except instead of doing it, theirs out of aluminum, theirs is out of steel. Very well made. Plus, all of the parts where the things snap in are the size of the factory. So, all we got to do is find out exactly what, they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different things in here that you can put on this to hook to your throttle assembly. You got your spring, bolts, nuts, everything. And even this to add on if you need to. Guys, this is a nice unit. And I want to start out by getting this bolted on so y'all can watch me and see how easy this fits. Alright, I am just going to set my box right up here. Now I had to put a spacer underneath my fuel injection because of the vacuum hookup for the brake booster. So I just went ahead and went with a 1-inch spacer. Could have done a 1/2 inch and had plenty of room, but I just went ahead and went with this. And this right here goes on the studs, right like so. Put our nuts on. There's one. And of course I'm short a nut. Let me go check the spacer kit and see where that is. Of course it was hiding in the box. And of course, I would always recommend when you're putting one of these on, loosen all your bolts, even though you're just taking off 2. It keeps you from putting strain on that base plate of the carburetor or fuel injection. And then you can just tighten them all down in increments. You don't have to overly tighten these, but you really want them good and snug. There we go. That is mounted on good and solid. Now I've got my transmission kick down here. So this is going to go on the bottom side right along in here. Now I got to get into my fuel injection and get all my hookups for this. But probably what I'm going to show you in this video is finding out which ones of these we need. I've got my throttle cable in the box over here. We'll get it out and we'll see which needs to go where. And we'll get right with that here in just a second. All right. I'm getting ready to put this thing together. Now adjusting it, I'm going to have to get someone who is a little more schooled in it than I am. see here. Getting here and all my little nuts and bolts and everything. There's this one. And we'll do one more. And I think I'm going to do, yeah, I'm going to do this for the outside. See if that was going to stick down too far. Maybe. Okie doke. I got her now. I got her. Need this turned around this way. There we go. Nut on the back side of this one. And a nut on the back side of this one. Okay, now I'm going to pause you just a minute so I can go get an Allen wrench and a wrench the size of the nut I need. Okay, got my wrench and everything I need. Let's see here. I think I'll be dropping these in. Yeah, I got plenty. There's that little bugger. It was trying to hide on me. Oh. Try this again. There we go. Now I'm just going to snug these down to where I can move them, because I will not be able to adjust them until I actually have the car running. That one's already pretty tight. There we go. Now then. Okay, I actually think I need to turn that the other way. I'll figure that out here in a little bit. All right. Well, there they are. Yeah, I'll definitely need to turn around that bottom one. But I need to get somebody over here to really help me set that, because I've never messed with the 204R deal. This outfit here is for the 700R4, which should still be pretty much the same thing. Let's see here. Yeah, that's the correct one. But we'll get that thing flipped around to where it fits a little better. Or, actually, I can just switch sides with that. There now. That looks much better. But anyways, that's how quick it is easy it is to do it. Thank you so much, GSTP Auto Parts, for sending that to me. And I hope you liked the video. The link will be in the description below. And I want you to look how clean that makes the side of your car look. Yeah, I will mention them more, and I will send you more pictures and video of after I get it all completely set up and tuned in, so we know exactly what it's supposed to look like. I want to thank GSTP Auto Parts so much for sending me that throttle linkage kit. It is for the 700R4. I'm using it on this 204R, which should be exactly the same linkage at the carburetor. But go check out their other products. Great company, got some good, awesome parts. I have been tickled to death with everything I've gotten from them so far. I will be having another product for you from them this next week. Come back and see me. The link is going to be in the description below, and we will see you next time on Santa's Workshop.